Good morning, students. Today we are discuss desktop publishing, that is DTP. DTP is the short form for desktop publishing. What we read in this topic, after reading the desktop publishing, we understand the concepts of DTP environment, that where we use, in which environment we can use this DTP. Okay, and second is the capabilities of DTP system. What are the capabilities? How capable it is, capable for what? And third is identify the uses of DTP system, and then understand the hardware and software support required for DTP. It means which type of hardware and software is required for DTP system. Then some specific features of commonly used software. In this test of publishing, we are discuss all these points. What are the understand what is DTP environment, what are the capabilities, identify the uses of DTP system, understand that what type of hardware and software support the required for DTP, and some specific feature which is commonly used software. First we find out that what is GTP. What is GTP means? Basically, what is GTP has provide entirely new means to create print document in less time. Print document, it means कोई भी document, if you want to print any document, it consumes the less time, less cost, and also less botheration. Desktop publishing is so called because in DTP system, most of the publishing tasks can be carried out on relatively one equipment that can be placed on a table. The advantage of DTP over the transition method of publishing include increased control over the end product and saving and turnaround time, as the product can be created and printing at the same time. It means if you want to create any product, or if you want to publish any book, any newspaper, any magazine, that can be done under a one system, under a one software, on a one table. It means it is less time consuming, less cost consuming, and less botheration. Otherwise, in traditional printing method, what we do in this type, in that we are doing editing in some section, formatting in some other sections, layout designs in some other sections, then coloring, then printing, then correction. All parts contain the different sections and different softwares which is used for traditional printing. But in case of DTP printing, we have only one software which is used for complete work, like editing, formatting, creating, coloring, everything that will be done under a one roof. That is called the desktop, and that is called the desktop environment. Now you understand what is the desktop environment. Second, we will discuss the capabilities. What are the capabilities? It means handling of text. How DTP can handling of text. Handling of text means, what do you mean by handling of text? Handling of text means well designed designing, proportionally spaced. It means what type of text we design that will be proportionally spaced character, proportionally spaced between the characters or between the lines or along with the justified line. It also be well designed. Justified lines. And also one type of font can be used. One type of font and size is used for this, and also create a particular style. What do you mean by style? It also create a particular style. What do you mean by particular style? Particular style means style. What do you mean by style? It's font size, leading space before and after paragraph. All these, it means all formatting is done under the handling of text. This is the first point of the capability. What are the capabilities of DTP system? Second is the generation of graphics. Second capability is the generation of graphics. What do you mean by generation of graphics? Means artwork and design can be created with the command of operators in DTP. The system perform a variety of manipulating tasks such as sizing, cropping, image rotation. All this done in the generation of graphics. Image can also be enhanced using visual effects like strokes, washes, and texture that simulate conventional art technique. This will all in generation of graphics. And third capability is the editing of images. Editing of images means, what do you mean by editing of images? It means cutting, deleting, cropping, everything. If we want to edit our image, what we do? We will cut, delete and crop extra part that will not be included in our image. Yes, cutting, cropping, deleting, superimposing and coloring. All this will be edited by DTP software. And last is the outputting. Last capability is the outputting. What do you mean by outputting? Outputting means a DTP system must be able to produce output on at least one of the devices available. Like laser printer can also produce acceptable output for many users. The master copy for printing is created through image setter, which produce high resolution output. So there are different numbers of outputting device which is used in GTP, like laser printers, but laser printer has a low quality that is used for publishing. In such cases we use the image setters. In this case we are using the image setter technique for publishing any material, because the quality and it has high quality as compared to the laser printers. Okay, these are the capabilities which is used in the DTP: handling of text, generation of graphics, editing of images, and the outputting. Next topic is the next point, that is the users of DTP, that is the desktop publishing system. Who are the users? There are different types of users, like an author can be used the DTP system, an author, a journalist, or an artist. The different types of users all have the different requirements according to their work. Authors and journalists can prepare their manuscripts on their personal computer. A low-cost laser printout of the same can be obtained as per the publication format. And a simple typist or traditional composer can also operate a DTP system. A magazine editor, public relational department, advertising departments, and newspaper getting news, pictures, advertisements for various sources. So these are the different types of users: an author, journalist, newspapers, magazine editors, public relational department. They are different types of user which is use the DTP system according to their requirement. Next topic is the equipment required for DTP. Equipment means what are the different types of equipment? There are two types of equipments only. What is the first is the hardware, second is the software. There are different types of hardware and software which is used for the DTP system. First we discuss the different types of hardware which is used for the DTP system. First we discuss the hardware which is used for the DTP system. Hardware means computer. You all know what are the hardwares of the computer system. In case of DTP, hardware means a computer, printers, and the scanners. First we discuss the computer. What is computer? What do you mean by the computer? Basic requirement of DTP system is a microcomputer which is a single workstation unit. It is also called the PC, that is called the personal computer. A computer should have screen to display exactly what is printed on page. A DTP system display an accurate presentation of the page layout, type space, type size, graphic, so that what you see is what you get. This is the logic behind the computer, that what you see is what you get. Computer is also equipped with an input system like keyboard, mouse, all other commands, all other equipment is also used in computer. Second is the printer. There are different types of printer which is used for DTP system. The most commonly which is used for text and graphics. There are two types of printers. First is the impact and second is the non-impact printers. Impact printers and second is the non-impact printers. This is for the printing purpose. Printers are only used for the printing purpose. The different types of printers are used for different types of pages, qualities, coloring, resolution. It depends on the printer. And then what are the output, how clarity, it all depends on the different types of printers. And third is the scanner. What do you mean by scanner? Scanner. And third is the scanner. Scanner is a peripheral electronic device of DTP system which convert graphic image into digital information in the computer. Image may be photograph or a line art with text which has been drawn or created outside the computer. Through scanning, these images can be manipulated in several ways and stored in the computer memory. They can be reproduced in any desired size. They can also be inverted to obtain a negative, flipped to create a mirror image, copy, and crop to focus attention on a particular detail. So these are the different types of hardware which is used for DTP system, that is the computer, that have also called the personal computer, in which we find out what you see is what you get. Then second is the printer. There are different types of printer used according to the requirement of the any product or requirement. What is the requirement, what type of colors they want, what types of quality they want, all will be depend on the different types of printer. These are the impact and non-impact. And third is the scanner, used which is used for the graphic image, like it is used to convert the graphic image into the digital information in the computer. Thank you, that's it. This is the hardware and software will be discussed in the next session. Thank you.